Simon Marwin Jr. S. from 1BCRI 1 Alpha 2. Today, I'll talk about a crime that sparks both curiosity and concern: human trafficking in the Philippines. Human trafficking means using people for abuse, labor, or scams. It's modern-day slavery. Kahit may mga batas na laban dito, nakakalungkot, tuloy pa rin ang operasyon sa mga sulok ng lipunan. What makes this crime interesting to me? It hides plain sight. Victims are often vulnerable Filipinos, women, children, and even OFWs, trapped by poverty, false promises, or manipulation. Nakakagulat pero totoo. According to 2024 Trafficking in Persons report in the U.S. State Department, the Philippines retained its Tier 1 status. Ibig sabihin, our government meets the minimum standards to fight trafficking. Pero sa totoo lang, the report also warns about corruptions and official complicity. Justice is still blocked for many victims. Based on the Philippine Information Agency article, President Marcos declared all-out war against traffickers. Agencies like IACAT and PAOCC are working together. Kaya naman, may pag-asa. But the real challenge, protecting victims, preventing future exploitation. First, crime is not about just broken laws. It's about broken systems. Second, justice must be survivor-centered, hindi lang basta parusa. As someone who dreams of becoming police officer, gusto kong maging boses ng mga tahimik to protect the vulnerable, expose the hidden, and restore dignity. Para sa akin, ang laban kontra human trafficking ay laban para sa dignidad ng bawat Pilipino.